How to add an image to a shape in Photoshop, PC or Mac. First thing to do, create the shape. Just go to the custom shape tool, select the custom shape I'm going to use with this balloon design and go with shape. That's the key option there. Then click the document and drag and create the shape. Now for the image. I'm going to be using a library, but you could use any image, maybe in another document or as another layer. So with this, I'm just going to drag here an image and just drag across and press return. That was using the libraries panel. All the panels can be found in window and libraries and layers. So now you should have this in your layers panel. What you can now do is go here, select this layer, then right click and down to creating clipping mask. Select that or use the shortcut, and now you have your image inside a shape. You can move it, you can resize it, all those sort of things. If you're finding this video of interest, please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials about Photoshop all the time. A like or dislike, also very appreciated. Now there's a number of things you can do here. You can select this, and then with the move tool, you can move it around, reposition it. Just need the move tool, that's the key thing, and this layer is selected. Also, you can resize. Key thing is, if you want to resize, make certain show transform controls is turned on. Then you can just resize it inside that shape. So you can just position it like that and press return. What if you want to modify the actual shape? So go here, select the shape there, then go to a different tool. I'm just going to use this one, Path Selection tool. With that selected and this selected, you can now move this around, reposition it. You'll also notice you've got this bounding box, so you can resize the shape itself. So just drag this out, make it bigger or make it smaller, etc., as well as other transforms as well. If you want to move both, all you need to do is select both here in the layers, go to the move tool, and then resize, as well as reposition it and move the shape and the image around and press return. You can also add some layer effects. Make certain you've got this layer selected, the shape layer. Then go down here, click effects and go for bevel emboss or any of the others. And then modify the depth, soften, size, etc. and click OK. And there you have it, your Photoshop shape and an image inside it. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below.